Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2021 Honda Odyssey maintenance light reset. Fun fact, this particular vehicle has two type of reset. The reason for that is most of the vehicle are equipped with the GPS system, but some are not. So for those of you that has the vehicle that are equipped with the GPS system, we are going to reset it on here. But for those of you that are not equipped with the GPS system, we are going to reset it here at the cluster, and we're going to be using these buttons. Okay, but now let's go ahead and show you how to reset it on here first. Go ahead and press home. There's a home button here. Go ahead and press home. When you press home, the screens will appear, and go ahead and go into setting. Okay, vehicle. Go ahead and enter on vehicle. Now scroll down. Enter on maintenance info. As you can see, engine oil. Go ahead 5%. Go ahead and enter on the engine oil, and press reset. But I'm not going to do that, because if I hit reset, I cannot reset it over here on this side, where I'm going to show those of you that are not equipped with the GPS system. But I'm just gonna go ahead and exit it. Okay, now let's go over here. Now over here we are going to use these buttons. Okay, up, down, left, right, enter, and home and back. Okay, now go ahead and press enter until you get here. Okay, when you get here at the home, go ahead and scroll up and down, up or down, until you find maintenance. Go ahead and enter on that. Go down to oil life, enter on that. As you can see, 5%, and go ahead and press enter and hold the enter button. Give it about a few seconds. See, now let go. Now go down to all due item. Enter on all due item. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.